Welcome back to Feudal, where we bring you the most powerful machines from across the globe straight to your screen. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the world's biggest beasts in construction, farming, and beyond. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse that's turning heads across the heavy machinery world, the Holland DC 100 Bulldozer 2026. It's not just another bulldozer, it's a symbol of next-level strength, precision, and innovation. Whether you're in construction, mining, land development, or large-scale grading, the DC 100 is built to do more than just push dirt, it's made to dominate it. First off, let's talk about its raw power. The Holland DC 100 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art hybrid diesel-electric powertrain that delivers a monstrous 950 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 950 horses packed into a robust, fuel-efficient system. What makes it even more impressive is how seamlessly it transitions between power sources, offering maximum torque when it's needed and energy savings when it's not. Holland has truly mastered the art of performance and sustainability in one machine, but power is just one part of the story. Let's move to what makes this bulldozer a real operator's dream: the control and handling. The DC 100 is equipped with smart traction sensors and automated blade leveling. These intelligent systems continuously monitor terrain, blade pressure, and load capacity, making adjustments in real time. That means less guesswork for the operator and more consistent, accurate results on the ground. You can expect tighter tolerances, smoother cuts, and quicker job completion even on the toughest terrains. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The operator cabin of the DC 100 feels more like a luxury cockpit than a construction zone. It features 360-degree visibility, ergonomic seating, a touchscreen control system, and full climate control. There's even noise-canceling insulation and a vibration reduction frame to reduce fatigue during long workdays. Holland made sure this isn't just a machine. It's a high-tech workspace on tracks. One of the biggest innovations in the 2026 model is its integrated GPS and automation support. The DC 100 can sync with satellite-guided systems to follow exact grading plans. For large sites, this means you can program routes, blade positions, and cut depths in advance. The bulldozer handles the heavy lifting while the operator monitors progress. It's not just futuristic, it's happening now, and it's making job sites faster, safer, and more accurate than ever before. Durability is also key. The DC 100 has been built from military-grade steel and reinforced composite panels that can handle the roughest conditions without compromise. Its undercarriage uses self-cleaning tracks and modular components that reduce maintenance downtime. This bulldozer is made to last through heat, mud, rocks, and ice with minimal need for repairs or replacements. Another underrated feature is its eco mode. When full power isn't required, the DC 100 automatically shifts to a lower output mode, conserving both fuel and emissions. That's a big win for companies that want to meet environmental standards without sacrificing productivity. It's also compatible with biodiesel blends, making it a smart investment for the future of sustainable construction. So whether you're clearing vast stretches of forest, building highways, or shaping the foundation of megastructures, the Holland DC 100 is more than ready for the job. With its mix of brute force, intelligent systems, and eco-friendly features, this bulldozer is not just a tool, it's a revolution on tracks. If you're in the market for cutting-edge machinery that doesn't compromise on power, precision, or comfort, the Holland DC 100 Bulldozer 2026 deserves your full attention. It's built for the future, but ready to work today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth reviews and machine showcases, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which machine you want us to cover next. Until then, keep your engines running and your tracks moving. This is your ultimate stop for machine power.